Okay, got a new part here for me. I'm gonna go over here to these. This is actually where I found that dime. It's gotta be a quarter there. Another nice quarter. Find it here, my first target. I think it's just a little earring. It was really a son of a, you can see how small it is, like a pierced earring type. So that's a good find to start me off here in the sandbox. Low numbers, but based on my checking gold out, it's got a low number too. So there it is. A little piece of, well, I don't know. That piece of wood. Man. Well. It's a speck of something. I can't find it. Right here. It's down there. There it is. And a little earring. Now, just a little button. 2021 going here. There it is. Wow. That's a penny. Oops. Well, should be another penny. We'll dig it. There it is. Right on the surface there. That was a good one. No manhunt for that. Pick up a quarter here. $29.30. There it is. Yeah, right there. Got us a quarter on that one. A penny or a dime. We'll dig it. There it is. Oh yes, I was right. Yeah, it's a nice shiny dime. I guess a 24, 25 here. Penny or dime. There it is. Got a dime on that one. I don't know, dime maybe. No, looks like penny. 1981. Penny, huh? There we go. Well, I'm finishing up here this morning, about an hour and a half to hour 45 minutes at this new park to me, and thank goodness for all this sand. This is the only sand and soft place to dig. The grass was horrible. I only dug two little targets coming in here off that direction there. And I said, no, I got to get softer ground here. So anyways, it's been about an hour and 45 minutes here. This is what we ended up with. Quarter, 2 dimes, 6 pennies, and this little earring piece here. And there's all the trash. Pretty clean park, not too old. So that's it for today. We'll catch you on the next dig. Thanks for coming along.